Hello everyone. Guess what time it is? It is time for the February 2017 monthly special warmer and fragrance. So this month we have Chevron and Songbirds, and the scent is Melon and Apple Granita, and it smells wonderful. So this is the brochure. There's my info. I will have my info linked below. Hang on. Let me move this back. So it's Chevrons and Songbirds. The warmer is $40.50 in February. It starts February 1st and goes through the month unless they sell out. The bar is $4.50, 10% savings, and the room spray is $7.20. And this stuff smells so good. Here is the bar, and that is the color. If you are a customer of mine, or if you have requested, a catalog in the past, your brochure and scent sample is on its way. It got mailed out today. And here is the cement base. That's the base down here. And this is the box that the warmer comes in. It was supposed to be January, but they pushed things forward with the Stargaze warmer. But here is what it looks like. When it's not plugged in. These are the birds. It is so cute. And it has the little dish and the ring. I'll show you that in a minute. So I am going to turn the warmer on. That's what it looks like if you have a light on. If it's in the dark, I'm reaching for the light switch here. Hang on, folks. Okay, this is what it will look like in the dark. Isn't that beautiful? This is just so fun and bright and spring-like, and I would imagine that this would be great in your bathroom or in your kitchen or even in a child's room. It is so cute. I'm going to turn the overhead light back on. Okay, so here are the different elements to it. It has a dish, a glass dish, just like that you put your wax in. And it has the dish holder that just sits here on the top. And the base is glass. And it's covered with this beautiful chevron and songbird design. I just think it's so pretty. And here is the cement base with the bulb. It's so easy to assemble. You just do that. Put the ring on, put your dish in, and you put your wax in. And let's see what the description. I'm horrible at describing scents. It's crisp apple and sweet melon surge with sparkling citrus. And it smells really good. And I currently have warming the January scent of the month, and I can't think of it. But I didn't think I was going to like it, and I started warming it, and I really, really like it. So anyway, all my information is below. Again, this warmer is available February 1st to the 28th unless it sells out. And if you're interested, just click below and go ahead and order. And these are the warmers and fragrances that are still available from previous months. I know they've had some issues with the Stargaze warmer, so if anyone is interested, let me know and I will check with my director to find out if they have blackcurrant bubbly. That's what it is. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm not usually one who likes fruit or berry fragrances, but I'm really enjoying this one. like I say, give it a chance. You know, you're going to get a sample, put it in your warmer, see what you think of it warmed, because they smell different when you warm them, because they have so many layers of different fragrance that just smelling it, opening the clamshell and smelling it isn't going to do it. So like I said, if you have already gotten catalogs and products from me, you are getting your brochure and scent sample. If you haven't yet and you would like to, let me know. Private message me or email me. I have all the information below. Email me with your name and address, and I will get you the brochure and a scent sample in the mail. And the spring summer catalog is coming out soon. It's launching soon, you guys, so get ready for that. I'm pretty excited about that. Okay guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Thank you to everyone for your support. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and I'm sorry I was MIA for a while, but we went to Hawaii and then I got sick. Oh, and it was the holidays, and then I had to go to Fairbanks, Alaska for a little over a week. And so I'm just trying to catch up with everything. So thanks a lot, you guys. Love you. Subscribe. Like my video if you like it. And I'll just see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Guys, I forgot to tell you or remind you, those that know, if you order from me in any given month, I have a drawing for a giveaway for someone who orders. Now, if you order 2 or 3 times, which has happened in the past, one person will place 2 or 3 orders, you get entered that amount of times. And I give away really nice giveaway gifts just as a thank you. I get a lot of free stuff and half-price items because of the sales that you guys order. And if anyone's interested in hosting their own Facebook party or online party, let me know, because then you get to earn your own free and half-price hostess rewards. So I forgot to mention that, and I just want to remind everyone that you will be eligible to win a prize for that particular month's drawing. And I have to do December's. I haven't picked that one yet. So, all right, guys. And then if you win, you will be notified by email. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I love you. Bye.